Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. Now, to get started, you will need a cable that you use for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer and then connect it to your phone, like so. From there, let's power off the device. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it actually has powered down, you want to then hold power key or not power key, a volume up and a volume down. So both of them at the same time. And there we go. This will give us the warning message before we can actually proceed to the download mode. Now what you want to do is press volume up to continue. And there we go. We are now in the download mode. Now once you actually want to leave this mode, to do so you will need to hold power key and a volume down for more than 7 seconds, as you can see right here. This will force restart the device. There we go. Now once it powers down, you can let go and it will automatically reboot. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.